what we're working on here today is Randy's box body Mustang, trying to get the front clip fitted, and once we get the front clip fitted, then we can move on. So me and Courtney's going to do that real quick, and I'm gonna weld some brackets on and go from there. Alright, so right here you can see it's been cut out for the front end of the car prior to us getting it. So I'm going to have to build it up from about right here straight to this corner here. So I'm going to take the Zeus fastener out of here. I've also got a little crack right here I need to fix, and there's some other stuff on this side over here I need to fix too. So take some Zeus fasteners off, and then I also got a crack right here. Take these Zeus fasteners off right here so I can move on to some body work. To get these Zeus fasteners off, they got pop rivets that hold it all together. Take a drill bit, drill these aluminum pop rivets. All you want to do is just drill the head of it off. And just like that, you got the head of the pop rivet off right there. That wasn't too bad. Anyway, now the pop rivet's out. Now we're just going to do the rest of them. Turn it on, Bo. Oh, turn that damn heat on. I'm gonna turn that fucking heat on. Alright, so on this front clip of Randy's Mustang, we've got some body work right here where it's cracked all up, pushed out from the inside. We got that big old chunk right here where there's a crack all the way through, or a wreck or something. I'm gonna have to put some fiberglass on the inside of this, and then I'm gonna end up grinding this out and smoothing it out. We got that, a few little spots and stuff I'm gonna touch on the front. We got this right here where it's all cracked, and then all this body work right here, body filler, whatever you want to call it, from a wreck back in the day. So I'm gonna actually get rid of a lot of this stuff and fill it in with some fiberglass filler. It's gonna be a lot stronger. This stuff has started flaking out and stuff. Right here, started flaking out over time and coming loose. I mean, these cars, when they stage up, they shake really bad, so you can't be having stuff like that. It's gonna be falling apart. I got a crack right here beside the Zeus fastener hole. So I've got to fix that crack. And then this needs to be straight from about right here to this corner. It needs to be straight. So I'm gonna have to put some fiberglass on this and grind this whole area back right here so fiberglass can lay on top of that. I got a little bit of stuff right here I need to patch up. And then on this side, I gotta fill this in right there. I gotta fill this right here in with a gel coat. Gel coat and a little bit of what looks to be body filler that's popped out of the hole. Bunch of little stuff right here that needs to be filled in with some fiberglass filler. There's one more somewhere. I need some fiberglass over there, right there where it's cracked as well. But a bunch of little stuff that needs to be done to this thing before it goes back on the car. We've already tested it once today. Alright, so let's mix up some more fiberglass filler. I don't need much, I just need I need about a half of an ounce. I'm using the Evercoat Body Shop fiberglass resin, pro grade. And once you get your resin poured, to make the fiberglass filler that I'm using, here's that West System 407 low density fairing filler. And so this is what I've been using on Randy's front end. And I've actually been using this stuff for a long time. I bought this big container of it, like 60 bucks I think. But this stuff is definitely worth it. It lasts a long time. Extremely lightweight. It's a fine powdery dust. But pretty cool, that stuff works. I mean, you just pretty much take it and put it in your resin and mix it up. And you can use whatever consistency you want. If you want it a little runny, leave it runny, or you can add more. You can always add more 407 fairing filler to make it more like a peanut butter consistency, where you can actually work with it, which is usually how I like to use mine. It's more like a body filler style. Just a little bit more. Still a little runny. I don't like it runny. Let's put a little bit more in here. Alright, so I've got the consistency I want. Now, what I'm going to do is put the hardener in there. Once the hardener's in there, you got 10 minutes to get it on the product that you're going to be applying it to whatever your project is. Here's the hardener for it, for the resin. It calls for about 18 drops per ounce. That's roughly half ounce, so put 8 or 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And another 10th one on there for good luck, I reckon. And just mix it in. Always scrape the edges.
Yeah, I'm all in. Brody on the line, I'm tapping in. Got out here pulling the strings for me. A girl on the line, she feeling me. Preoccupied by the motivation. Put in the time, pay the entry fee. Bro on the right, yeah, he kinda nice. Inside of my mind, no one's real as me. Lately, life has been gorgeous. Wake up to clear, my eyes hit recorded. Praise up to God, I ain't chasing no bitch. Swinging the miss, got me hitting these licks. I get the orders, don't get it distorted. Disconnected, I've been cordless, I've been cordial, I've been exploring. I got a whole lot, but somehow I want more of it. Yeah, I went touring, but I'm for the soil. Hey, bruh, remember they used to ignore us? Now they dropped me the pin with the cord and they catch me running through they ordinance. Remember we couldn't afford the whip. Pushing and scraping, that shit was so ageless. We blowing on grapes for the flavors. All of a sudden we major, still independent by no label. For now I'm going hard enough that the streams will lead to a house by the beach. All of this done with the speech. Filling my pockets for now, but later.
So on this front clip, there's where it was all messed up on the grill. Pushed out, fixed that. There's where that crack was that I put some fiberglass on the back side and grinded it out and filled it in. Nice and strong too. The big old crack that was right there. And all this stuff here. So now I just got to take this and cut it off straight. But part of the rock now. Nice and strong. And then that crack that was right there and some more stuff on that side. Alright, so I didn't show y'all earlier how to sand this. I mean, I just not forget this. I've never done this. But anyway, I'm just sanding it the regular DA with 80 grit right now to get down all the high spots and get it pretty much slicked out. And then same thing here, which I actually missed a little spot. I missed a little spot right there, it's still a little low. But I might come back and touch up this. That's all that's done. Possibly a little bit right here. That seems to be alright. I think there's one or two spots on the other side over there that I need to touch up that I just didn't get quite enough in the slot. But anyway, yeah, all I'm doing is just taking the 80 grit, getting the stuff flat, and feather edged out. Once it's feather edged, I just stop, 40 minutes, finish it up with the primer, and go from there. But anyway, I'm going to turn the GoPro on the regular video, and y'all can see how I sand it down. Pretty simple and easy. Alright, so all this stuff right here is hard as a rock now. Yeah, that one. This is one where it tapered way off super fast, like a 45. I had to build that up for him. That just need to be shaped. Go back on the car. This is the doors, by the way. And over here, got a big old nick missing out of there. So I sanded it, grinded it out, filled it in. And this is kind of like where it had some separation, or air bubble or something. But I filled all that stuff in too. And rock and roll. Right, Ed?
I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flicker. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up. I leave the city and return with my change up.
Alright, so what we have here is that fiberglass that I put up in there yesterday. So all I did was put some, well, I don't know what I did with it. I put some 2-inch wide yellow painter's tape on the bottom right here, and that actually helped hold the fiberglass up from sinking down. It did sink down a little bit from the weight, but it's fine because I can fill this right here back in. It's actually a little high right here anyway, so not a big deal. And after I cut it straight, we'll move on. That'll work. So now I can take that right there and I can shape it however I need to, clean it up some, sand it out flat, and Courtney will take it. He'll put some dolphin glaze or something on it to get the rest of the imperfections out that I might leave behind. But
nigga with the pessimism, but I only came for the good news. I am the show that they came for, hitting the target I aim for. We've been discussing the contract, just telling they get what they paid for. I am not fucking with poverty, really it started to bother me. I need the yacht with the property, they come with the view that you gotta see. Came up from the basement, hit the rooftop with a passion. Bad bitch with some good credit and a good sense for the fashion. Dope blowing with the left hand, ass gripping with the right hand. Uber share to the airport, I'ma hit you back when my flight land. I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up.
Alright y'all, thanks for watching. This thing's about done. So we're gonna move on to the next step of Randy's car. We've got the hood over here, I got to finish up. And then the trunk lid. I'll show you all that stuff here on the next episode of Randy's Mustang. Again, thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, post them down below. Thank y'all.